Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to bookmark on X. Okay, so first of all, open X on your phone, and now let's go to any post that you want to save, that you want to bookmark, that you want to save to your bookmarks section. And below the post you want to find bookmark icon. It looks like this, so let's tap it, and at the very top of your screen you should see this message, post added to your bookmarks, and that indicates that we have successfully bookmarked this post. So now let's access bookmarks section. You want to tap a profile picture in the top left to access this side menu, and let's go to bookmarks section specifically. Here is the post that I have just saved, that I have just bookmarked, and also this bookmarks page is chronologically organized, and that means that the most recently saved posts will appear at the top. So that's basically how we can bookmark on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.